All right, guys, welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. A quick video for you guys today involving midfielder Christopher Pearson, right? He has made a move, ladies and gentlemen, from FC Tulsa in the USA, right? For starters, before I get into the video, I want to correct something from my last video. In my last video, I referred to Trevante Stewart as the leading goal scorer in the JPL. I have subsequently checked the facts, and that was wrong. He was actually the second leading goal scorer behind Colin Anderson in the JPL. You know, when we get things wrong over here on the Formula Sports channel, I like to correct it. I think it's only fair and only right that I do so. So, yeah, he's the second leading goal scorer this season in the JPL. I don't know why I may have it in my brain say Trevante did win the race, but no, Colin won the race, right? So, we're getting into the Christopher Pearson video now. He has made a move, a loan move from FC Tulsa in the USL to Huntsville City in the MLS Next Pro, right? And I've already explained what the MLS Next Pro is. By the way, if I make a brief correction with that too, because in the Blake video that I did, the Romain Blake video that I did, I said that the MLS Next Pro was a league with the academy teams, right? And I also said it was the league of the second string teams as well. Basically, I confused second string team and academy team, which, to be fair, the second string team is not an academy team, right? The MLS Next Pro is a league that comprises of the MLS reserve teams. So probably in hindsight, academy was not the best word to describe it. Yes, the MLS Next Pro, for those who don't know, the league that is basically the reserve team league for the MLS, right? That is where Christopher Pearson is going, and he's going to Huntsville City FC, which is a very new team in the, well, I mean, the MLS Next Pro is a new league, but this is the Huntsville City FC's first season. This is their first season in professional football, right? It was a club that was founded late last year. So this is their first season in professional football. And so far this season, they are in 8th place out of 13 teams in the Eastern Conference standing in the MLS Next Pro, right? So that's how they're going about their first season in the MLS Next Pro. I'm going to read the article for you guys on your screen quickly. Pearson appeared 16 times for Tulsa in 2023. FC Tulsa has loaned midfielder Christopher Pearson to MLS Next Pro side Huntsville City FC for the remainder of the 2023 season, with the option to buy following the conclusion of the loan spell. The transaction will allow for the U20 Jamaican national team star. I don't know if I'd have classified him a U20 star. Anyway, to continue his professional development and earn first team minutes with a competitive Huntsville City squad, the MLS Next Pro affiliate of Major League Soccer Nashville SC. Pearson appeared 16 times for FC Tulsa this season at only 20 years old, logging 4 starts and creating 3 scoring chances. So while he was not a starter for FC Tulsa in the USL this season, he did get a lot of game time, featured in most of their games this season. I do believe that this is a very good move for young Christopher Pearson. I mean, if I were a betting man, he would have a greater chance at starting for Huntsville City than he does FC Tulsa. And it's a more clear pathway to the MLS should he go to Huntsville and impress. There's always that option there of making that jump to MLS team at Nashville SC, right? We wish the former U20 player all the best, you know, in his development, and hopefully he can go to this club and get meaningful minutes seen and become a starter basically. Knock up the likes button, subscribe and share, ladies and gentlemen. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.